You know what? I want to show you guys that you do not need to be rich. You do not need to have all this expensive equipment to build your dream projects. Trust me, if I could do it, you could do it.
Welcome to building a Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department vehicle number 4. So to keep you up to date, we got the lights hooked up, we got the Touchmaster set up, we got the sirens going, we painted the black part, I got the push bar set up, I scavenged the junkyards for the perfect front bumper, found a better trunk since the other one is basically destroyed. I fully detailed the interior. Man, what a difference. I refurbished the window bars. Now it's time to continue the vehicle.
Okay, so we painted the black. Now it's time for me to sand down the white and paint the white. Okay, I taped off the edges where I don't want to leave any sand marks, and I have the sander ready to go. Okay, I'm done with the sanding. Oh, that took all day. So tomorrow I'm gonna mask it and paint it all.
Okay, now it's the next day and I realized we're in the 4th episode and I have not once took this car out for a spin. Let's find out if this car is even roadworthy. Let's go. All right guys, we are taking this thing out for a little spin. Hope I don't get pulled over. I'm about to run out of gas. Oh no. Got my little helper following me.
Yep, this car's got some heat.
All right, I'm gonna pull up in here. Now, something don't smell right, but I think it might be this gutter water right over here. Soak it up. Everything under the hood seems good. Yo, check it out. This is the homie's Crown Vic. What is this, a 2011?
2011, over 200 miles, 202 pushing.
Nice.
Still running strong. Yeah, she's been all right. No problems.
Don't drink and drive or you'll end up with this thing right here.
Don't drink and drive, guys.
I seen one that's shaped and it looks like a soda can.
Yeah,
I don't know, we'll find out. Ready? Go! We gotta wait till these turkeys get out of the way. We don't want to run them over. Get out of here, turkeys! Yeah. All right, let's check for posi. Looks like only one wheel is spinning.
What do you rate that thing as far as performance?
Give it a solid 8. Strong engine, strong tranny. Got a couple hiccups here and there, but changed the fluids, fixed it all up.
That sounds good to me. Okay, here comes the first layer of white. This is the before. Here is the after. So clean, so smooth, so flat, so shiny. Okay, so I just got done with the first layer. What the heck was that? And I am very, very satisfied. If you're wondering why I didn't cover that, it's because it's about to get replaced next. I know this prep work looks very amateurish, but trust me, my paint jobs are better than most of these shops I've been taking these cars to. And this is an outside job. Now imagine if I had a shop. Don't mean to toot my own horn, but damn. Okay, there goes the first layer. Looking clean. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now I'm about to go take a break. Okay, so some people ask me, where'd you learn how to paint? Like, I am not a professional. I did not go to paint school. I literally learned all this from YouTube. I YouTubed it. That's how I learned how to paint. And that's not Chase. That is Princess.
Okay, so now it's the next day and I ended up painting the hood and that new trunk. And it came out pretty damn good.
Okay, it's the next day and I'm real anxious to see what it's gonna look like. There she is. Okay, it still looks good. It still looks good. I am happy. There's like little imperfections here and there, but that'll come right off with some acetone. And then I'm about to swap this right now and throw that hood on right now. Out with the old and in with the new. Look at that. It's a little dirty, but it's nice and straight. You got the hood on? Hell yeah! And now I'm gonna add the bumper. Alright, got the bumper on. Very nice. Had to make some little cuts, but it's on. What's up, guys? Say hello to my cleaning lady here. She's gonna what is it that you do again?
Clean your dirty cars.
She is gonna clean the whole thing in it, so she's really good at what she does, and I'm gonna time lapse her. So ready, set, go. Huge shout out to all my channel members. Your support makes videos like these possible. Thank you guys so much.